Hello and welcome back. Oh man, do I miss flying this ship. Well, you know what that means. It's time to jump in the Covert Arbitrator and well, it's time to hunt other players. Now, at the moment, I do have around maybe 58, 59 Killmarks on this ship. That's quite a number. Most of these Killmarks are made purely in solo PvP, and I did say that I will convert this ship to be only for PvP, and well, I did do that. I did replace the old rigs with the new level 3 rigs. These are drone firepower augmentator, which will increase the damage done by drones by 17.5%, which in theory should increase the overall damage output on the drones. And well, at the moment I have 406 DPS on this ship. On the primary weapons I do have the C-type medium pulse lasers. They are so far fantastic and they have been doing a very good job. Now you will see me use, besides the pulse lasers, you will see me use missiles, medium missiles, and you will see me use decomposers. All these weapons do work really well on this ship because the ship doesn't have any specific bonus on the turrets. It has only a bonus on drone control range and drone DPS. In the medium slots I do have a guidance disruptor, I do have a warp disruptor, and of course a tracking disruptor. I am still using the old Mark 7 Valkyrie drones, but I will have to start using my 20 hammerheads and of course the other drones. In the low slots there is one C-type medium MVD, and I do have dual drone damage amplifiers. These are the Nest from drone damage amplifiers. They do improve the DPS quite a bit. And of course the Cortops cloaking device that I do love and that I absolutely enjoy using on this ship. Well, to quickly demonstrate the ship's DPS, I'll be warping to this planet and well, let's see how much DPS I can get out of this ship now. 543.92 DPS on this ship, which is nice. It is definitely a big improvement over the previous DPS that I did have. The ship's velocity is just above 2000 meters per second, which is excellent, and that's the speed will be improved once I change the engineering rigs on this ship. Well then, time to jump in and well, let's see what I will catch. So the first ship that got caught is this prototype. Now this ship has been hunting other players because the player did have the criminal timer that I did notice in local. It just did take some time to locate where the player was located. And well, I did engage. Now let's see how much time will it take for me to shoot down this battlecruiser. It is very interesting to note that these prototypes, they do have very good shields, they don't have good armors, and they have excellent hulls. Now, since the shield of that ship has been destroyed, I am shooting the ship on armor, and well, I don't expect the armor on that ship to last long. Now, the real challenge starts once I hit the hull on this ship. The hull is, as you can see, quite, well, not quite tanky, but it does have a lot of hull. My drones are doing decent damage to the ship, but it does have a lot of hull and it will take some time to shoot down this ship. I have to say it is very interesting that that prototype is not using the decomposers, it's actually using rapid missiles, which were nerfed, but it still did manage to do some nice damage on my ship. And well, that ship has been destroyed. Time to catch the pod, time to loot the wreck, and then time to move on to the next target. Okay, let me quickly approach the wreck. Okay, drones are on the pod as well as the missiles. Let's see what's in the wreck. Well, there were definitely decomposers in the cargo hold of this ship, but I didn't see decomposers be used as the main weapons, so that was kind of weird. Well, that was a nice fight. Time to jump on the next one. Alright, well, the next target, let's see what will happen. Okay, it's a frigate. Okay, it is a assault frigate, a Punisher assault. Well, this will be fun. These frigates can be quite a problem. They can have very nice DPS, they can be very fast, and well, I will risk that because why not? Right, well, approaching the target. So far so good. Okay, and I did engage in combat. Let's see what will happen. Okay, I did notice this Punisher assault is a armor tank. Interesting. Very interesting, but the current drones that I use love to shoot ships on armors, and they absolutely love to shoot ships at hull. Explosive drones are doing a very good amount of damage to armors and hulls, and this assault frigate got destroyed. Well, that was interesting. The pod did manage to warp off, that's okay. Let's see the loot. I'm quite curious to see what was in the... Okay, well that's interesting. Okay, that's very nice. That's actually nice loot. I did have... I think there was one C-type small armor repair there, which is a nice catch. I can definitely use that. Well, time to cloak and time to move on to the next targets. Well, now this is a very interesting situation, and first I did warp at 100 kilometers to check out what these ships are using. So this is a Cormorant Guardian, and there is a Caracal, a classic Caracal. The Cormorant Guardian is using the shield field module that gives resistance, and this Caracal is using the group shield boosters. So they do have very good resistance and they have decent shield boosting. So I'm thinking if I can do this solo, and well, of course I will engage. I do want to test out how much damage I will do to these ships, and afterwards I will be calling in reinforcements to shoot down these 4 ships. And well, I am engaging in combat with the Guardian. I did make the Guardian the primary target because that ship is one of the, well, not the biggest threat, but it does give resistance to the other 3 ships on the field. And as you can see, I am barely scratching the surface of that Guardian's shield because I do use explosive drones, and they do have at least 90% resistance on explosives, so I am not going to risk my drones. And well, I'll be flying around these ships for a bit to see what would be the best course of action here. Now, definitely I can theoretically take out that Caracal because it is outside of the shield field bubble that is created by that Guardian. But the Caracal also has very good resistances, and I am not going to be able to shoot down that Caracal with these drones that I currently use. So in this situation, the best course of action would be to pull back my drones and to launch other drones. And unfortunately I didn't pack any other drones with me, so I'll have to disengage this time around. But I will be back. I will be back with reinforcements because my current base is a little bit far away, and well, for the next round I'll definitely pick up better drones. Okay, well, 2 of these industrial ships did warp out, and well, I will warp out as well. I will be warping out to let the industrial ships return, and of course to call for reinforcements, because I cannot do these 4 ships alone. Well, after reinforcement has arrived, we did engage these ships. One of the industrials has unfortunately warped off. We did focus on the Guardian. Now I am taking most damage here because I was bait and I did warp in first to protect the 2 frigates that are in the team. Now I'll be orbiting the industrial ship at 30 kilometers. I'll be dropping my warp disruptor on that industrial ship to prevent it from warping off. That Guardian is doing a phenomenal job to stay alive. We cannot penetrate the tank of that Guardian. That is until the capacitor of that ship is down, but it seems like the Guardian is not going to go away. Its shield is going down, that's good, and of course it is boosting the shield, and it warped off. How it did warp out? Well, the command was to focus all points on the retrievers because they are the most valuable and, well, the primary target. And they left this retriever alone. That means it is time to slowly take out this industrial ship. Now pay close attention to the hull on that mining ship. Just keep an eye on the hull. And, well, barely, almost destroyed, and what the hell just happened? Okay, well, that is the luckiest industrial ship that I have come across in this game. It literally warped off at 1% hull. Well, I have to say GG. Good fight, that was very fun, and, well, kind of disappointed that we didn't catch that retriever, but I do take the blame for that. I didn't do a good job coordinating the fleet, so that was my fault. Well then, time to increase the fleet and time to do some gate camping. Well, this is, I think, one of our, this is definitely one of our alliance fleets. I did come here to join the fun a little bit, to see what they will catch. Now, I am still waiting to participate in the killing of a battleship, of a faction battleship. So far, we did come across Gilas, we did come across Cinnabals, we did come across other faction cruisers, but we didn't kill a faction battleship just yet. And, well, I'm definitely going to be patient to wait for such kill to drop. It's just a matter of time at the moment. I am quite excited to record that, actually, because I do like PvP in this game a lot. What is this? A stubber trainer. Okay, well, that poor stubber just came in at the wrong moment, and, well, we did manage to catch it, and, well, it's just a matter of seconds until the ship is destroyed. Okay, well, this is a very interesting situation. Now, this is a small gate camp that I did scout. Behind that gate is a friendly fleet, and, well, they don't want to jump in because the command was for me just to scout. Now, this is a Cinnabal and a Thrasher Interdictor. Oh, or, well, you can call the Thrasher Interdictor the Saber because it is literally very similar. Now, this Cinnabal here is very fast. I am very impressed by how maneuverable this ship is, and, well, we didn't want to engage with this ship because at the moment most of our allies are still on the way to the gate, and by the time they arrive, those 2 ships will be warping out. But again, it is very interesting that I still do use the scout role on this ship, because these Covertop's cruisers are fantastic scouts, and well, they can also do some very nice DPS. Well then, time to join my fleet, or should I say time to join my corporation's fleet, and well, this is a Ferox that was very unlucky to jump in at the wrong gate, and well, that battlecruiser was destroyed within seconds. I have to say that was some very nice DPS from my teammates here. They did a very good job. Now I am one of the fastest ships here, so I'll be looting most of these wrecks, and oh man, that's some very nice loot. It's very interesting that I do need most of that loot, because I do want to get a, well, not a Ferox, but I do plan to get a Cinnabal. I do plan to get other ships, and well, the tracking computers are definitely going to come in handy. Well, that was a very nice kill, and well, since no one else is looting this, I'll be doing the job. Okay, that was nice. I did get the loot. Second kill is this prototype, or it is this Harbinger prototype. Again, this pilot actually was very lucky. That prototype, that Harbinger, did manage to escape our camp at least 2 times now, and well, third time is a charm, I guess. And well, that ship did warp in at the gate. We did manage to catch it, and we did manage to destroy it. That was a very nice kill. That was a very nice kill. Most of the ships that are caught in this gate camp are over 50 million ISK. I think there was a frigate that was 980 million ISK. I think it was a Covertop's frigate that did carry a lot of blueprints, a lot of good stuff, should I say. Well, we are still camping the gate here. Our numbers are very good. Some of the teammates are on the way to arrive at the location. And well, another ship jumped in. It is a Omen, and to engage this ship. Now I have to admit the lock time on this Covertop's cruiser is not that good. I don't have rigs that improve lock on time. That might be a thing that I might have to improve, because I absolutely need faster lock on time, and of course that's partially due to the cloaking device that reduces the lock on time. Okay, this is a Cyclone, and well, this Mimater ship did go down very quickly. Also a very nice kill. Unfortunately, the explosion was kind of cut short for some reason, but that was also a very nice kill. And well, the loot was also very nice. A lot of nice ships are flying through these nullsec systems, and well, if they get caught by a gate camp, then all of that is gone. Okay, this is another prototype that we did manage to catch. Well, this time I didn't manage to do any damage because I was too far away. I have to say, drones are not the best weapon for gate camps, because they need to actually arrive to the target before they can do any damage, and by the time they arrive, the fight might be already over. Okay, what is this? Another Omen. Okay, well, a lot of these cruisers are flying around. That's kind of weird. Okay, let's take out that cruiser. Well, it got destroyed rather quickly, I have to admit. And well, that was fun. That was very fun. Let's see if there is any more targets. This is a Moa. Unfortunately, this is not a Gila, but it is pretty close. It actually looks like a Gila, it's just a Moa. And this Moa also did arrive at the wrong moment, and well, that was also a very nice kill. Well then, that was a very nice run, that was very fun. We did do at least, I'd say, around 8 billion in damage. That's a very nice number. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed. Stay safe, fly safe, and I will see you next time.